right, in this video, I want to show you how you can set up what are called hot corners on your Mac laptop or desktop. So to do that, you would go to System Settings. I'm already in it, so you would click on the Apple System Settings. Scroll down till you see Desktop and Dock, and then once in there, you're going to scroll all the way down, and you should see Hot Corners right here. Click on that. And here you can set what you want each corner to do. And so it's basically top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. You can, by default, you'll probably have something like this. It'll just be kind of empty, but you can add whatever you want. I have mission control, quick note, lock screen, which I do find pretty useful to quickly lock my screen and I can walk away. If I'm at work or something like that. But here, you just hit done and you're good to go. Now, if I go to the top left, you see how mission control pops up. Just kind of click out and you're back where you were. Again, top right, and I get this note. That's something that I had made for the top right. And so, yeah, that works really well. Pretty simple, but can be quite useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.